Now I am going to explain question number 3. It contains 4 questions in it. In that I am going to explain 2 sums. The remaining 2 I am going to give to you target. Once you observe the question over here, evaluate each of the following terms of x and y. So here what is given? Some logarithmic terms is given. This one we have to change in terms of x and y. And also if it is given that x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Here wherever when we are evaluating these 4 questions, if you get log 3 base 2, you have to substitute the value x. If you get log 5 base 2, you have to substitute the value y. So in this 4 questions, I am going to explain question number 2 and question number 4. So remaining 2, I am going to give to you a target. Now all of you observe over here. So solution starts here. So I am going to explain question number 2. So what is question number 2? Now to evaluate log 7.5 base 2 question mark. So now take log 7.5 base 2. Here 7.5 I am going to write by removing point. I am going to write in fraction form. So now you observe. So log 75 by 10. So this one, it is in the form of log a by b. It is in the form of log a by b. So already we know that this one I am going to write in the form of log 75 base 2 minus log 10 base 2. So since which formula used over here? From quotient rule. What is quotient rule? We know that quotient rule by quotient rule, log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. By using this formula, I wrote log 75 by 10 into log 75 minus log 10. So after that, I am going to split it. I am going to write 75 as a product of prime factors. That means what should we do? 75 we have to do LCM, and also 10 also I am going to write as a LCM. Once you observe over here 75 factors. What are the prime factorization of 75 over here? I am going to do here 75. 5 table I am going to take. 5 ones are 5, balance 2 is there. 25, 5 5s are 25, again 5 table, 5 3s are, again 3 table, 3 1s are. So this one I am going to write 75, I am going to write 5 into 3. So again 10 you observe over here, 10, 2 table, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. So 10 how can we write over here? 2 into 5. Now you observe, so is equal to log 75. Instead of 75, I am going to write 5 into 5, 5 square, power formation, into 2, into 3, base 2 minus log. Here before log minus symbol is there, that's why you have to keep the bracket over here. It's must and should. Why? Because it is 10 we are going to split into 2 parts. So that means what? Log 10 I am going to write 5 into 2. Again this one log AB formation, log AB. Log AB is nothing but what? Log A plus log B by product rule. This one I am going to write log 5 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus bracket open. So log 5 into 2 I am going to write log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2. So after writing which formula used over here, that formula I am going to write in the bracket. Since which formula used over here? By product rule. product rule. By product rule, which formula? Log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. After writing that, here I am going to write here 5 square is there. Square means power formation. Power rule I am going to use. So by using power rule, here 2 I am going to write in front of log. Once you observe over here, 2 I am going to write here 2 log 5 base 2 after completion of this one plus log 3 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus, before bracket minus symbol is there, we have to, whenever we are removing the brackets, if before bracket minus symbol is there, we have to change the symbols. Here plus log 5 base 2 is there, it will be minus log 5 base 2. Again minus of plus minus log 2 base 2. After this, once you observe over here, 2 log 5 base 2. Here log 5 base 2, this one I am going to write here because this is log 5, this is also log 5, both are same. That's why minus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus log 2 base 2 value is what? 1. Log a base a, we know the formula, log a base a value is 1. Here since I am going to write two formulas over here, so since I used one power rule over here, that power rule I am going to write log x power m base a is equal to m log x, one formula I used before step, and one more log a base a log x base x is equal to value 1. These two formulas I used in the previous two steps. Then what I am going to do, out of here 2 log 5s are there, here 1 log 5 is there, from that we have to do subtraction. Out of 2 log 5s, 1 log 5, if you subtract, what is the balance? Log 5 base 2 here plus log 3 base 2 minus 1. Already we have in the question x value log 3 base 2, log 3 base 2 value x, log 5 base 2 value y. Instead of log 5 base 2 I am going to write y plus, instead of log 3 base 2 I am going to write x minus 1. Here since we have x is equal to log 5 log 3 base 2, y is equal to log 5 base 2. So we wrote log 7.5 base 2, we wrote in terms of x and y. Therefore, once you observe, therefore log 7.5 base 2 is equal to, we can write this one x plus y minus 1. Now I am going to explain third bit, fourth one. So once you observe over here, solution starts here. So now to evaluate log 6750 base 2, this value we have to write in terms of x and y. So we can take x and y values here, you can take over here x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. Now I am going to take log 6750 base 2. Here 6750 I am going to write product of prime factors. Once you observe over here, whenever we have to start with 2 table. Now you observe 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Out of 7, 6 gone means 1 balance. 1 5 15. 2 7s are 14 balance 1. 2 5s are 10. Here there is no 2 table. So we have to go for next prime number is what? 3. In 3 table, can you divide 3375 or not? We have to go divisibility rule for 3. So now you observe 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is a multiple of 3, so we can use 3 table over here. Now you observe, I am going to take 3 table. 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3, 7 is there, 3 twos are 6, balance is what? 1, 3 fives are 15. Again once you check 3 table, chance is there or not there. So 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Again I am going to do 3 table. So 3 threes are 9, balance is 2, balance is there 22. 22 means 3 sevens are 21. Again out of 22, 21 gone means 1 balance, 1 5 15. 3 fives are 15. Again once you observe over here, whether it is divisible by 3 or not, I am going to check. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is a multiple of 3. Again we have to divide with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Out of 7, 6 gone means 1 balance, 1 5 15, 3 fives are 15. Again you observe here, there is no chance for 3 table because sum of the 3 digits is 8. 8 is not the multiple of 3. That's why the coming next prime number is what? 5. I am going to take over here 5. 5 into 5 twos are 10. Out of 12, 10 gone means 2 balance. So 2 5 25, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 table I am going to take, 5 fives are 25. Again 5 table I am going to take 5. 1. So the 6750 I am going to write in the form of, once you observe over here, so 6750 is equal to, how many 2's are there here? Only 1 2. 2 I am going to write into, how many 3's are there? 3 3's. 3 cube into, how many 5's are there? 5 cube. This 6750 I am going to write in the form of 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. So once you observe here is equal to log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube base 2. Again when we are observing here some product is happened. So that's why I am going to write in product form. It is product rule, I am going to use product rule. Here this one I am going to write log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. Here which rule I used over here? Product rule. Since we have one formula over here, that is what? Log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. By using this formula, by using this product rule, we can split the product form. Now you observe over here, again it is power formation. Log 2 base 2 value already we know. That value is what? 1. Log a base a value 1. Again once you observe over here, instead of log 2 base 2 I am going to write 1 plus here power formation is that this 3 I am going to in front of log 3 log 3 base 2 plus at the same time here also I am going to write in front of log 3 log 5 base 2. So which formula used over here? Power rule and also one more formula, log a base a formula used over here. Since log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a and also log x base x is equal to 1. By using these two formulas we can write like that. Now already we have the value of log 3 base 2 is x, the value of log 5 base 2 is y. Instead of log 3 base 2 I am going to write x, instead of log 5 base 2 I am going to write y. Now you observe, therefore log, question I am going to write log 6750 base 2 is equal to, what is there here? 1 plus 3 log 3 base 2. What is the value of log 3 base 2? X. X I am writing. Next plus is there. Plus after 3 plus 3 log 5 base 2. What is the value of log 5 base 2? Y. So what I did here, log 6750 base 2 I wrote in terms of x and y. So since I am going to write over here, since x is equal to log 3 base 2, y is equal to log 5 base 2. Here there is no space over here, that's why I wrote here. So final step is what here? Therefore log 6750 base 2 is equal to, I am going to in order 3x plus 3y plus 1. So already I explained third bit. Question number 2 I explained and question number 4 I explained. What is the balance? First one and third one. That is target for you. Okay. Thank you.